Welcome back to a Roblox video on the channel. Oh, sorry. I have my microphone down. Welcome back to another Roblox game. Welcome back to Roblox on the channel, guys. We are going to be playing, what should we play today? Let's play, interesting. Let's play Circus Trip. I hear the bus roaring. You guys probably don't hear, but remember to play with headphones. Oh yeah, I'm playing with headphones. It says that. Where are we? In the dark? Hello. Oh, I'm very glad you can make this camping trip. Yeah, me too. I'm so hyped. Okay, kids, now we're here. Who's ready for a campfire story? I'd rather not. Ooh, we're getting into a fight. Woo! Let's play. Anyways, let's go. Cozy at best. We stayed there just for a weekend. Anything in these tents? Whoa! Got a lantern. Every single night. Don't worry if they're allowed to peek through their tents. But one of them was too engaged not to listen. Once a curious child peeked out his son. Hey, Mr. Counselor! What is it, boy? I just want to say that our water gallons are leaking, Mr. Counselor. Over there. Oh, he's telling the truth. Guys, if you want me to do more story videos, leave a like and subscribe, and I will do more of these. Don't do anything stupid when I'm gone. No, I'm coming with you. Hey, come back here! Come back here! Fine. Just stay here. Gulp hope he doesn't stay for too long. Oh God! Coming back. Wait. He has blood on him. What on earth happened here? That means he's suspicious. Because there was some blood somewhere. Or, yeah, I agree. Sorry, but while we were gone busy gathering why we had to save ourselves, starts crying. Hey, don't cry. ... I don't mean to interrupt you, but while we're going after he stops crying. Snip, I'm not crying, you're crying. What? I'm not crying. It's okay, kid, let it out. You need to be careful out there, wolves in near the circus. Circus? I'm surprised as you are. I walked towards the waterfall and saw a large tent. Yeah, that's covered up. I'm not a genius, but I swear I heard a festival music clearly. Stop crying. Can we please check it out? There's nothing left to do here anymore. Everything went down. I'm not bored. I want to go home. Kid has a point. I want to read the person's username. I don't know you. I'm not going to wait here for the wolves to eat me. Look at counselor. Alright. Robo Jane. We're going to have a cell phone contact every parent's follower. But we'll be back home late tonight. Okay, well, what we're waiting for. Whispers. Okay, everybody, I'll be guiding you through the riverside. Wolves lurking among us. Fear, one of you get lost, I will die. No pressure. Oh yeah, say hi, my boy Andrew. Say hi. Yeah, he's in this video. He's just editing one of his videos. Is that right? I forgot his channel. No! Why'd you expose us? Why'd you hit that bear trap? Where are you guys going? Wait for me. Well, that hurt. That was freaking scary, sir. Finally! But we need to get across it. Take it. We already got far already. Don't give up. I won't let you down, sir. I'm not America. Well, I guess this will be the end of the video. Goodbye.